One of the things that we've seen in the commercial real estate market, again, very different from the residential market, is actually a high demand and very low supply.
It went through a roller coaster ride. It's still in the valley and it's starting to peak. So if we can catch this opportunity, I think we can do very well.
What I'm hearing from investors is they're willing to take on some risk, but certainly they're not looking for the volatility that they're seeing in the stock market these days.
There are great opportunities in the market, but like anything, you've got to be selective and you've got to be working with subject matter experts. We're very proud of and excited about our emerging partnership with Berkeley Acquisitions and the Berkeley Fund, which is a New York Metro-focused multi-asset acquisition fund.
We've been fortunate enough to assemble a great team of 8 players.
It brings together a group of skills that is exactly what you need for a startup fund.
Something that you have to figure into your cost and your time of construction.
We are building a national real estate platform, and this is primarily through our partnership with strategic capital partners.
I think it's a strong platform for individual investors and opportunities that are off market that they wouldn't get, and they get an institutional style platform.
What we have seen is owners coming to us and trying to find ways to increase coverage, reduce costs, think out of the box a little bit.
What we're seeing is a fast and steady rising trend of folks moving from homeowners into rental units. That actually creates great opportunities in the commercial real estate market, specifically in multifamily or apartment buildings.
There's a big call or a big demand that's created because of the tourism attraction in New York. So we know that hotel development is a very strong market segment that we'd like to be in.
We are in the process of constructing a series of transactions which focus on building a national student housing platform.
I think more and more schools are going the route of investing in education and investing directly in their students and straying away from being a landlord for their students. And so we see opportunities there.
Really what we're trying to do is build a diversified, balanced portfolio across the commercial real estate market.
You always got to be looking. You always have to be mining for data. You've always got to be talking to people. You got to be asking smart questions.
We have a very strong inner workings, boots on the ground type of approach that other people that are coming into this market don't have.
Real estate is something that it's pretty permanent, and it's something that affects lives, and it affects the way cities move, the way cities grow. You really see the impact that you make on people.
Great teams have to have complementary skills. They've got to have complementary personalities. They've got to have different points of view, and they've got to have everybody on that team that knows what their role is. But boy, when you get that, then it's very powerful. It creates an enthusiasm and a confidence that the market senses and that your client senses.